The recipe for today, some scrambled egg burger. So I'm going to show you all of my ingredients them where me using my recipe. Remember, we have a jam here, we have a cheese, tomato, egg, see the bread there, and we have a lettuce. So I'm going to show you how me prepare my scrambled egg burger. Remember, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Like and share. This recipe I got nice and delicious, eatable. Alright, my peeps, welcome back to Lumberjack Kitchen. The recipe for today is some scrambled egg burger. Me going to show you all of my ingredients when me use in my scrambled egg burger. Please to like and share. Alright, my peeps. Remember scrambled egg burger, you know, so I'm going to add the egg in a cup. I'm going to break them like these. So it's 4 eggs. So you're going to mix well, right? Yeah man, this is a scrambled egg burger, but nice, delicious. By Jamaican cooking it lumberjack, you know. Yeah man. Yeah man, this is a scrambled egg burger, but nice. Remember, scrambled egg burger. The recipe I got delicious, man. Yeah, my piece, remember, scrambled egg burger, you know, man. The recipe I got nice, man. Eatable, delicious. Remember, scrambled egg burger. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Yeah, you can see bread here. You know, some want some breadcrumbs, so great that. Alright, bread, right? And you know, Jamaican cooking, you know, so lumberjack creative. You can see scrambled egg burger, so you want some breadcrumbs. So I'm going to grate on my bread. Please to like and share. This recipe I got nice, man. Scrambled egg burger. Remember, you know, scrambled egg burger. Delicious, eatable. Like and share. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Yeah man, remember scrambled egg burger. Right? Yeah. So you mash out the egg, you get fine. Like how you want it. I'm gonna do it my way, so you can do it your way. Right? Yeah. So I'm going to add it in the pan. See? Going to add like a Maggi season to it. Just to flavor it. And a pinch of salt. Alright? Stir it well. They're going to combine like this, right? And remember, scrambled egg. There we go. The recipe I got nice. So you're going to press it like this, get it flat, right? Remember, scrambled egg burger. The recipe I got nice, man. So I'm going to add some oil to my pot, right? Not enough. See those them there? See? Remember, scrambled egg burger. Remember. Yeah, going to put it in the oil. Keep on fry. Remember, scrambled egg burger. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Yeah, make it brown. Yeah, fry it how you like it. Me fry it my way. Some just want some brown and crisp on it. Remember, a burger and a scrambled egg burger, right? So we're going to remove it from the pot now, right? And put it right here. Remember, scrambled egg burger. So I'm going to remove back from the aisle. So I'm going to put the burger bread. Yeah. That's the recipe I got nice and delicious, man. Remember, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Can see. See, yeah, I want the crispy and brown, right? Yeah, like this. Yeah, give it 2 more minutes. Yeah, man. Recipe I got nice, man. Eatable, delicious scrambled egg burger. Yeah, my peeps, the recipe I got nice, no? Yeah, man. Remember scrambled egg burger, you know? Yeah, eatable Jamaican cooking with Jack. Can see, remember scrambled egg burger. Remember. So I'm going to put it. See it? Look. Can see scrambled egg burger, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Delicious, eatable. Mm. 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 Like and share.